So hello investors, by the way, my name is Raymond Daguero, Sales Manager here at SMDC. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Short Tree Residences. Bali, papakita natin yung lobby area ng ating Short Tree Residences, Tower 3 and 4. So this is the lobby entrance ng Short Tree Residences, Tower 3 and 4. As you can see, as of today, very active na yung area. Marami na tayong guests na pupapasok, especially for an Airbnb, and that's actually good sign for investors kasi ibig sabihin mas mataas na yung demand for short-term stays. Perfect ito sa mga naghahanap ng investment with passive income, especially through Airbnb dahil prime location na siya, malapit sa mall, entertainment areas, and even airports. As you can see, the lobby is very luxurious, para ka talagang nasa hotel lobby. From the elegant design, high ceiling, and modern interiors, talagang mararamdaman mo yung premium lifestyle. Perfect siya for welcoming guests or even for your everyday experience. Very classy, very relaxing, and very Instagram worthy. So if you are looking for a property that gives you both comfort and luxury, this is definitely a great investment. Hello investors, welcome here at 77 square meter 2-bedroom unit with 2 balconies here at Short Tree Residences. Tara, tingnan natin. So pagpasok natin on this side, nandito na yung laundry area natin. Pwede kayong maglagay ng sampayan dito since bawal po tayong magsampay sa balcony. So this space is very useful para ma-maintain pa rin yung cleanliness and aesthetic ng ating unit. So this side naman ipapakita ko sa inyo yung ating first bedroom. So this is perfect for kids, guests, or pwede rin i-convert as home office. As you can see, sobrang spacious na din ang ating first bedroom at meron na din siyang sariling balcony. At yung view niya is yung SM Mall of Asia at yung Cell Residences. So this side naman is yung ating kitchen area. Kung makikita natin, naka L-shape type na siya. What you see is what you get. Gamit na lang ang kulang, very functional and ready for everyday use or even for Airbnb setup. So this side naman is our toilet and bath. Fully finished na siya. Meron na tayong lavatory, toilet, shower set. So ready to use na siya upon turnover. So wala na kayo masyadong iisipin. So this side naman ipapakita ko sa inyo yung ating master's bedroom. So as you can see, sobrang spacious na siya. Perfect for relaxation and comfort. May sarili na rin itong space for privacy at naka full glasses windows na siya. Kaya very bright and airy yung room. And if you check the view, kita natin yung SM Mall of Asia and also the 2 Ecom Center, one of the biggest advantage of this unit. So ayan. And also sa master's bedroom natin, meron na rin siyang sariling toilet and bath. So very convenient and ideal for end users or even for Airbnb guests. So yun, dito naman tayo sa ating living area. This space is perfect for relaxing or bonding with your family. Maluwag na siya, kaya pwede kayong mag-design at maglagay ng furniture based sa style na gusto nyo. So the last part is yung ating balcony. So this unit is ready for occupancy. May promo tayo ngayon. Pwede kayong mag 5% spot down payment to move in. So if you're interested, message me now and I'll be happy to assist you.